In precision manufacturing, such as semiconductor, the process of making a product involves hundreds, if not thousands, of complex steps. Sometimes, the whole process takes several months to complete. If we only check the final output, it is already too late to discover the root cause of faults and anomalies in the products and fix them. As such, it is important to check the outcomes of a process in line after each intermediate step through measurement, or in technical terms, through metrology. However, due to cost, time, and space constraints of physical metrology tools, manufacturers have to sample a few products to measure, obtaining only limited information about the process. You can overcome the limitations of physical metrology with Panoptes, an AI-powered metrology solution. For more information, please visit GaussLabs.ai.